Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and I am here to explain you something, a new concept today. That is coding for kids who want to start coding and when to be start coding to improve our kids' analytical and logical and problem solving skills to improve their knowledge levels to applying and solving their real world problems in academic. In terms of coding, how to be possibly enable it. Yes, harisystems offering a great online course to start learning from scratch using Python programming language. Yes, when to be start this coding programming for kids. It's really many of the parents and many of the technology specialists and who are already inside the industry want to grow their children's and kids want to be attached and work with apps and to be built with apps. How it is possible? So learning programming around like kids who are able to control a computer system. Yes, really who able to control an operating system, maybe like a third standard or fourth standard, he can able to start learning coding. Yes, such a course with a own schedule, parental monitoring, he can able to possibly start learning Python programming language, how to apply the skills by writing a step-by-step process of statements, making a small games. Is it possible? Coding for Kids is a course is readily available by harisystems who are industry experts and child methodology is applied who can understand easily with a basic step-by-step process. Yes, try today. Below we are giving a description link and yes, children can possibly enable their skill level to be thinking logically, problem solving techniques by own himself. Yes, this is a spark of his code using Python programming language. Want to try more? Try below description link.